So many of us now, when we go away, want to take electrical appliances with us, whether that be to help with lighting, call boxes, even a TV in some cases. But of course, those all important things like mobile phone chargers, anything that's going to help make life easier. So this piece of kit is ideal for all those people. It's a nice, tidy way of keeping your mobile mains kit together. So when it's not in use, it can be reeled up completely and the cable stored within the actual mobile mains kit. So it keeps your cable nice and tidy. You're not going to have knots and things like that when you try to unwind it on your next camping trip. The box itself has 3 plug sockets, so you can plug 3 things in at the same time, but even more if you choose to use the 2 little USB connectors as well. So many things nowadays just have a USB connection, so it just means that so many more things can be used on here, I guess. The kit itself, once it's plugged into the main supply, can be switched on and give you a light facility on the front here as well. The light could be left on at night time, for example, just to help see around the tent, obviously be able to see exactly where your plug sockets are and what you're using. The cable itself, actually on the reel, is 15 metres long, so that's a nice distance for you to be able to go from the hookup facility on the campsite itself. It also comes with these 2 stabiliser feet, which I think is nice because it keeps it nice and sturdy. It's not going to be falling all over the place when it's in your tent anyway. It weighs 3.6 kilograms, so it's not too bad at all to be carrying around, and it's nice and compact as well. You'll see that Vango have now gone into an awful lot of the electrical hookup points, connections, everything else, and we've chosen to stock them here at the Family Tent Shop. My name's Lisa and I'm from the Family Tent Shop.